I've got a very interesting puzzle for you to solve. I call it Unlock the Blocks. It's got 3 blocks on the inside that have been glued together, randomly selected that just happen to spell Tom. It's got 2 metal bars on the front, 2 metal bars on the back. The goal is to remove the blocks from the inside, but these bars, they hardly move at all. How would you solve it? If you want to know the secret, I'm going to tell you in just a second. I'm not only going to tell you the secret, I'm going to take this thing apart and show you what's inside. Then, maybe you want to build one for yourself out of some scrap wood. Welcome to Alley Picked. This is a fairly difficult puzzle to solve, but once you know the secret, you can remove the block in under 10 seconds. The secret is on the inside in what you can't see. Magnets. There's a magnet holding a vertical metal rod hidden inside the wood. It's blocking the horizontal bar from sliding all the way to the left or the right. You just give it a smack on the bottom of the puzzle, causing the pin to drop away from the magnet. Removing one bar isn't enough to remove the 3 blocks inside. This puzzle requires that 2 of the bars be removed. But not just any 2, it must be one from the top and one from the bottom on the same side. To remove the second bar, turn the puzzle over and smack the other side. Now I can remove the second bar and the blocks are free. Before I reset the puzzle, I'm going to take it apart and show you exactly what's inside. Here's a great view of the magnets inside. The magnets that I use are very tiny rare earth magnets. They came in this small container. Here you can see just how tiny they are. They're about 1/8 of an inch wide by 1/8 of an inch high. To mount the magnets, I drilled holes in the top and bottom slightly smaller, filled the holes with epoxy, and then carefully pounded them in. As for the hidden metal rods, the holes in the wood are obviously bigger in diameter than the ends of the rod themselves, so they can slide up and down easily. I used 1/8 of an inch plain steel round bar for all of the rods. One mistake I made was that I didn't need to use 2 magnets and 2 rods on each side. 1 magnet and 1 rod would have been fine. I don't have all the specific measurements for this project, but if you decide to make one of these for yourselves, take your time and carefully measure all the parts. It did take a bit of fine-tuning to get it right. I didn't have plans to work off of either. You can even get creative with this. You don't have to use blocks. Other objects would work just fine. Like this wood carving, it would be fun to build a cage and lock him in it. I think I'd call it Release the Kraken.
Release the Kraken!
Thanks for watching Alley Picked. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you want to be notified whenever I release a new video, click on the bell. Until next time, I'll meet you in the alley.